What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back with another pickup. And today we got a special episode, collector's edition, special unboxing, and a special unboxing. And to do all that, I got a special guest with me today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So today's pair of shoes we're unboxing today is a double box feature. We have a pair of the Nike Blazers Mid 77, and of course these are in the white and yellow colorway. More specifically, this colorway is the yellow and orange, and our colorway is going to be in the Vivid Sulfur Pecan, which another name for yellow and white. That's what we're rocking with. Now today my pair is yellow. You see that little shine, a little laminate going right there. So that's what my pair is. And then her pair is the leather, the premium material, the white and yellow right there, baby. So let's get into it, guys. So of course, one of the main things that stand out about this shoe for me in the women's size is this laminate yellow check. It goes throughout the whole shoe. Like I said, these are a yellow-orange colorway, and they call it orange because if you look right here on the tongue, let's see how she's looking as well. These are the orange check, and as well as on the inside of the sole where you have the cushion, so orange check also. So you have the white upper, which is the leather. You have the yellow check, and then you have the tan, well, suede nubuck. This is nubuck material, which is like a grayish colorway. Excuse me, not tan. And then on the kids, they've done something a little bit different. They flipped it a little bit. So for the kids, they have the premium yellow check that's leather throughout the whole shoe, and then it switches over to a second color. Now me personally, I love when they do the double check, the double color checks. See, look, she can't wait to hold her. Look at you. You want to hold your pair? Here go your pair. You want to hold yours? Where you go, boo? She can't wait to inspect hers. Okay, you got it. You got it. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let it go. You got it. Look at that. So, pay attention to detail already. So as I was saying, the check is double-sided. And one thing I wish is that they done the same thing for the women's, but they didn't. So it's all good. It's still a pretty clean colorway. Now, not everything is all good with this particular pair of shoes. These are the same Blazers that they wore back in the 90s. And like I said, the downside with that is the technology has changed a lot since then. And these bad boys are pretty uncomfortable. After about an hour's worth of wearing these, you kind of see why the NBA was such a rough sport, because after wearing these bad boys for an hour, your feet will hurt. So, I mean, it is what it is, but end of the day, it's a classic shoe, and it does look pretty clean. I actually like these pairs, so I will wear these when I'm not really doing nothing too much, maybe like a late drive somewhere, a light walk. Probably rock these. Now my particular pair has one little issue with it. There seems to be a piece of debris of some sort inside of the check. I don't know how that passed the quality check, but things happen. People are human. It does suck, but luckily it's on the inside of the shoe and not the outside. So I'll probably still keep these. I won't take them back because of that. But so. Do a good inspection. So she's inspecting hers, and hers looks good as well. So I don't see no flaws in her shoe. Like I said, one little minor flaw in mine, but like I said, for $100 you can't complain for so much. So if you guys decide on if you want to get you a pair, go ahead and get you one. right, it is a wrap. She just did her first video. How you feel, boo-boo? You feel good? Good. You did good today. You did really good. No crying, no whining. Real good today. You're gonna be a star, baby. Daddy loves you. You're gonna be a star. A star, baby. A star. Say star? Star? Alright. It's enough behind the scenes.